Welcome guys, so today I'm with Beats Studio 3 and I'm gonna show you how you can enter the pairing mode on this headset. So as you can see, currently this headset is turned on. The indicators are right here, but we are not in the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold this power button, click and hold it. Right now the device is turned off. So the next step, click and hold until these indicators right here start blinking. Oh yeah, just like that. Right now the device is visible to other devices. And what we can do right here, simply refresh the list or power off and power on the Bluetooth. And as you can see right now, the Beats appears on the list. So we have to select them, accept pairing request, and we are finally connected. That's how we can make it. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.